Alright, I've got another tech tip for you. This will work on car chrome as well. I happen to have a chrome railing here in my pool area. You can see here it looks pretty good, but just a few minutes ago it all looked like this. This is what's left of an SOS pad. You can also go and just get some quadruple aught steel wool. Does the same thing. What's nice with the SOS pad is it usually has a little bit of a cleaner in it. This one does not. I've used it so much. But you really don't need much other than just a little bit of water and steel wool. And that's it. Now, obviously, I'll wipe this down. I'll try to, get as little of this actually in my pool as possible. This railing's over the edge right here. That railing, that is night and day compared to what it was. The only chemicals that are used is what's in the SOS pad, and I actually gave it a good wipe down with just the quadruple aught steel wool too. So you can have your kids do this if you have any chrome or stainless steel. It works great for cleaning it out. You're still going to have some spots where you're going to have the pitting. It's not going to get rid of that, but it'll get rid of the active surface rust. And then you can go out and buy a chemical to treat it so it doesn't continue to rust. But to get that stuff off, that does a great job without ruining it. This thing was never shiny to start with, and I have used it on chrome bumpers and it worked awesome. So if you're worried about ruining your shine, it will not ruin a shine that's already there. It does a really, really good job. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video, guys.